In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voiceover in Premiere Rush. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, adding a quality voiceover can significantly enhance your project. So, let's dive into the steps and get your voice captured smoothly and professionally. First, begin by opening your project in Premiere Rush. This might seem like a straightforward first step, but it's essential to ensure you're in the right project that needs the voiceover. Next, take a moment to locate the playhead. This is the timeline cursor that shows you exactly where you are within your project. Move it carefully to the point where you'd like your voiceover to commence. Placing it correctly is crucial because it determines where your audio recording will start. Once the playhead is positioned just where you need it, direct your attention to the left toolbar. Here, you'll find a small plus icon often labeled as Add Media, or simply Add. You'll want to click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Voiceover or Record Voiceover. This option prepares the workspace for recording your audio track. Moving on, it's time to prepare the specific audio track where your voice will be recorded. In this track, look for the familiar microphone icon. Clicking on this will arm the track for recording. This step is essential because without it, Premiere Rush won't know which track to record onto. When the track is armed correctly, you'll notice that the microphone icon transforms into a red record button, signaling that you're ready for action. Now comes the exciting part: capturing your voiceover. When you're ready, press that red record button. At this point, Premiere Rush typically provides a visual countdown: 3, 2, 1. This brief countdown helps you prepare mentally and ensures you begin speaking at precisely the right moment. Utilize this time to take a deep breath and prepare your voice for clarity and tone. As you speak, relax and let your thoughts flow naturally. Once you have finished speaking, it's time to conclude your recording session. Simply click the same button that you used to start, or, alternatively, the stop button. This action halts the recording process, and your new voiceover clip appears right in your timeline at the playhead's starting point. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a voiceover in Premiere Rush, adding a personal and professional touch to your video project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your technique as you go. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing.